Hi, Tristele, everyone. So today here I'm teaching how to read logic. Logic means in English it is a reverse letter. And then tukboyike. So tukbo means in Tibetan is a thick. So here letters are combined one by one like. So it's a very thick. So tukboyike. Okay, so this is not a Tibetan, I mean not in the Tibetan alphabet list. This is comes from a Sanskrit, but we use in the some particular names and mantra. That's why we have this is. Okay, so if you are watching new, and then please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon because I'm teaching a more important things. I hope you will not miss it. Okay, let's see how to read it. So first one, logic reverse letter. Okay, first one, talo, ta, talo, ta. The sound looks like a karata, ta. Okay, and then second one, talo, cha, talo, cha. So it sounds looks like a karata, cha sound. Okay, and then next one, shallow, ka. So ka we have in the alphabet, ka, ka is a sound looks like that, and then talo, da, da. Okay, and the next one, nalok, na. Na sound is remain same. And the next one, kashalo, kya, kya. It looks like kayata, kya sound, similar. Okay, so one example here, mota, manaro, mo, talo, ta, mota. So mota means cars. Okay, and then next one, Canada. Canada is a country name, right? Canada. And then next one, here is a like mantra. This is a mantra, right? Om mani padme hum. Om mani padme hum. So this is the mantra. And the next one, the tupoike, the thick letters. Okay. So let's see how to read. Ga, hapta, ga. Ga sound. Okay. And the next one, tha, hapta, da. Da sound. Okay. And the next one, ba, hapta, ba. Ba sound. Okay. Za, hapta, za. Za. Okay. Tukbo yike. Tukbo means thick letters. Okay. Okay. So how to read it? Ga, hapta, ga. Tha, hapta, da. Ba, hapta, ba. Za, hapta, za. Okay, and then next one, talo, da, hapta, da. Da sound. Okay, and then here one example, di, di, ta, ha, and a, and kigu together is a di. So in Tibetan, in the mantra of Manjushri, we have a Om Arabazana Di, 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 Di. So Di sound is this one, okay? Okay, thank you. And then see you all in next video.